रिफ्रेश करो एक बार. Hello everyone. I'm not sure कि हुआ है. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and today guys we are going to do a non-stop maths session, a non-stop maths marathon. So please do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. So quickly guys, do let me know by the help of comments about your joining, and once you join, please do not forget to share the session with your friends as well so that they can also join us. And also let me know is I'm clearly audible, visible or not. Also let me know is I'm clearly audible, visible or not. Great. So let's try to begin it. Okay. So guys, like looking at one of the session what I've taken before on the non-stop maths, this session is again going to be on that pattern only. Lot of questions is going to come. Exactly the paper questions is going to come. You have to just see it and just crack it. You have to just see it and crack it. Good afternoon, Shrivani. Very good afternoon to all guys. I hope all of you are great. I hope all of you are absolutely great. Okay. So lot of easy, moderate questions will come. Just take a pen and paper. At least write down the numbers from 1 to 25. At least write down the numbers from 1 to 25 in this manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 25. For each correct answer, give it a tick. For wrong, give it. For a skip, give it this. Okay. Good afternoon, Charlie. Good afternoon, Harika. So, like the session, what I've taken few days back, a non-stop math session, it is exactly like that. It is exactly like that. You will just thoroughly enjoy it. You are going to thoroughly enjoy it. Fadafat maths. This is Fadafat maths. Okay. And try to update the scores after every 5 questions. Try to update the scores after every 5 questions. Whenever you melt a sphere, its volume is constant. Whenever you melt a sphere, its volume is constant. Initial volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. From this bigger sphere, let's suppose n small spheres are formed. From this bigger sphere, let's suppose n small spheres are formed. So n into small sphere volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. So n is nothing but capital R cube upon small r cube. N is nothing but capital R cube upon small r cube. 4 ka cube 64, 2 ka cube 8. Number of spheres is capital R cube upon small r cube. Number of spheres is capital R cube upon small r cube. You can do it directly as well. Number of spheres are capital R cube upon small r cube. So capital R 4 ka cube, small r 2 ka cube, 8. Great start, good start. Let's move on. Fadafat maths. Marked price is given, first discount is given, second discount they are asking, final selling price is given. Guys, be honest with the the marks you are maintaining. Be honest with the marks you are maintaining. Once I will start writing the solution, then you cannot count the marks. Once I will start writing the solution, after that you cannot count the marks. 960 is the MP. 960 is the MP. First discount is 25%. 25% is minus 1 by 4. So what is 1 by 4 of 960? What is 1 by 4 of 960? 4 2 ja 8. 4 4 ja minus 240. So discount of 240. 60 minus 40, 20. 720 is the price after first discount. 720 is the price after first discount. 720 is the price after first discount. Finally, you are selling it for 612. Okay. What is the second discount, guys? What you offered? I think you have offered a discount of 720 minus 612, 108. As it is looking to me, 100 minus is 620, 8 minus 108. So second discount is 108. Now this 108 discount you offered over 720. This hello Gorkha. This 108 discount you offered over 720. So 108 discount over 720 into 100 is the discount percentage. 1.5 times 1.5 into 10, 15% is the discount. 15% is the discount, guys. What is the discount? 15% is the discount. So second discount was 15%. Second discount was 15%. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Maintain a guys pretty well score sheet. Maintain a pretty well score sheet. Walking at 3 by 5 of the usual speed. Easy. Walking at 3 by 5 of the usual speed. So, 3 by 5 of the usual speed. So, let the usual speed is 5. So, the new speed is 3. So, the new speed is 3. Time would be in the inverse ratio, 3:5. So here it is going to take 2 times more. Here it is going to take 2 times more. In the time ratio, it is 2 times more, which is given as 20 minutes late. So 2 is equal to 20 minutes. 1 is equal to 10 minutes. Usual time is 3. If 1 is 10, then 3 is 30 minutes. If 1 is 10, then 3 is 30 minutes. If a speed is changing in the ratio 5:3, then time is going to change in the inverse ratio 3:5. 2 more time, 2 is given as 20. 1 is equal to 10. So usual time is below usual speed. Usual time is 3. So 3 is equal to 1 is 10, then 3 is equal to 30. Next. Fadafat maths. This session is like very important, guys, for exams, yeah? For exam oriented skills. Hello, Sayatan Roy. Hello, how are you, Sayatan? Shayantan. Price is equal to expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. So change in expenditure is equal to change in price into change in consumption. Expenditure increasing by 18%. So from 100 it is becoming 118. Price increasing by 24%. From 100 it is becoming 124. So what is the change in consumption? Change in consumption is 118 upon 124. So you will say, sir, consumption is decreasing from 124 to 118. आपसे ज्योमेट्री पढ़ना है सर. Why not, Sayatan? Why not? Okay. So consumption is decreasing from 124 to 118. So there is a decrement of 6. So there is a decrement of 6 in the consumption. Decrement of 6 over 124 into 100 is what percentage? If you want to approximate, bacha, it's 600 by 124. Just solve it. It's 300 by 62, less than 5. This is less than 5%. Very little bit less than 5%. Little bit less than 5%. Gone. This can be the answer, Bombay. When you will solve it, you will get 4.8% as the answer. When you will solve it, you will get 4.8% as the answer. Definitely, Sayatan, I would be teaching it completely. I would be teaching it completely in our CGL 2022, the free YouTube session at 5. I would be teaching it completely. Over? Great. These are the few modifications, guys, what we have done in our Exampur app. We have tried to make it a high offering app. High offering consisting of quizzes topic wise, job alerts, guys, job alerts, admit card, exam dates, previous year PDFs with solutions, practice questions, daily, weekly, monthly current affairs, study material, test series, free courses. And paid courses are also inside it. Paid courses are also inside it. In the SSC segment, there is one course called as SSC Officers Batch. There is one batch, SSC Officers Batch, that is bilingual batch, yeah. That is bilingual batch, guys, okay. You can download the app in this manner. Go to the Play Store, search the Exampur, install it, open it, register it, and fill the credentials, and start using it in the SSC segment. Let's move it. This is minus, this is plus. Oh. I was missing it. I was missing the pen, yeah. Okay, so let's watch it. Root x minus 1 upon root x is given as 3 root 2. Just square it once. Square it once. Square it once, guys. It will become x plus 1 upon x. 3 root 2 ka square plus 2. Because from minus, if you convert into plus, by squaring, it is going to be plus 2. It is going to be plus 2, which is 9 to 18, 20. X plus 1 upon x is 20. X plus 1 upon x is 20. If x plus 1 upon x is 20, on squaring x square plus 1 upon x square with the same sign, positive, positive, it is going to be 20 ka square minus 2. 400 minus 2, 398. 400 minus 2, 398. 400 minus 2, 398, guys. Is it clear? Is it perfect? So from negative, you are squaring and making it positive, then plus 2. Squaring from negative to positive, it is plus 2. And from positive to positive squaring, it is minus 2. From positive to positive squaring, it is minus 2. Let's move on. Guys, quickly share the session as well. This is a non-stop math session, guys. What we are doing it together. Very, very helpful for the examinations. Very, very, very highly special, important for examination purpose. Because here we do the mixed bag of question. Neither you are aware what is going to come next, neither I am aware what is going to come next. So that test your skills. Okay. 45 will give a different answer, will give a different answer, will give a different answer. I am going for theta is equal to 45. I am going for theta is equal to 45. Let's see answer comes or not. 2, tan 45, 1, cot 45, 1. Sec 45 root 2, cosec 45 root 2. 4 by 2, 2. So whoever will give me 2 is my answer. Whoever will give me 2 at 45 is my answer. Tan 45, 1. Cot 45, 1. Cos 45, 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 eliminated, 1 eliminated, 1 eliminated. 100% this is the answer. If you want to still cross check, sec 45 root 2, cosec 45 root 2 is equal to 2. Answer. Please do watch out. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. Yeah, so we can go for value. We can completely solve it as well by converting everything into sine and cos. By converting everything into sine and cos, guys, we can do it by equations as well. But for a single question, I'm not going to take 2 different solutions because it is a fadafat math session. It's a fadafat math session. Next. These sessions are important for speed, and our 5 p.m. session are important for sessions are important for concept. And this non-stop marathon sessions are important for speeds. Yeah. And I told na, Shayatan, Trupati, Gorkha. I told the other way out as well. If you want, I can solve it by other ways as well, okay? I will show you after this. If you want to see, I will show you after that. Tirupati, well done. Charlie. 4 years ago, this is your present. 4 years ago, the ratio was 4:5. 8 years from now, 8 years from present, it is going to be 11:13. difference of 2, difference of 1. Make the difference equal. Make the difference equal. Here it is 1, here it is 2, so multiply by 2. You will get the updated ratios. 8:10, 11:13. Once you make the difference same. No, if I do not know Tirupati Marathi, then how can I, huh? However, I was in Mumbai for some months. I was in Pune as well, but how can I, huh? So their values are increasing by 3. Their values are increasing by 3 according to the ratio. Their ages are increasing by 3. Their ages are increasing by 3 according to the ratio, which is 12 years. 3 is equal to 12 years. 1 is equal to 4 years. 1 is equal to 4 years. What is the sum of the present ages of both? So for finding out the present, either find out the 4 year before age or find out the 8 year after age. So I am finding out the 4 year before age. If 1 is 4, 8 is 32, 10 is 40. So before 4 year, their sum was 72. Before 4 year, their sum was 72. Before 4 year, their sum was 72. After 4 years, both are going to increase by 4. So it is going to be 80. Please do watch out and ask me whatever you want. Please do watch out and ask me if there is any doubt left. If the sum is 72 before 4 years, after 4 years, both are going to increase by 4 each, so it will become 80. In the previous question, bacha, you can convert into tan theta plus cot theta ka whole square as well, which is sine upon cos plus cos upon sine ka whole square as well. Sine ka square plus cos ka square upon cos ka square into sine ka square. Bacha, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 upon c square plus s square. 1 upon c square plus s square, the numerator. 1 upon cos ka square into sine ka square. Sec is 1 upon cos and cosec is 1 upon sine. Sine will cancel out, cos will cancel out, 1. So 1 upon sine theta into cos theta is remaining, which is sec theta into cosec theta. The complete. Whenever guys I have to solve it, I write sine as S and cos as C. Just to make it short. Okay, so this is sine upon cos, this is cos over sine. You can also apply these tricks. Yeah? You can also make use of such things. Four is a rational number. Rational means without surd. Square is always a rational number. This is also a rational number. So it has to be a rational only. Rational means what? Without surd. Rational means without surd, because surds are irrational. because surds are irrational. The famous values of cos theta are 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. These both are surd, so I will go for this value. I will go for this value. This comes at theta is equal to 60 degree. This comes at theta is equal to 60 degree. So there is a 95% to 98% chances that theta is equal to 60 degree. It's a solution. There are 98 to 99% chances that theta is equal to 60 degree. It is solution. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 4 minus 2 times of 3 by 4 minus 5 by 2. 4 minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 4 minus 8 by 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Yes. So theta is equal to 60 was the correct thing. Theta is equal to 60 was the correct thing. So sin 60, root 3 by 2, tan 60, root 3. 2 root 3 plus root 3, 3 root 3 divided by 2. Got it? Got it? So in this manner, guys, in this manner, you can arrive at your value directly. You need not to solve the quadratic. You need not to solve the quadratic. So by such assumptions, or you can say thought process, by such assumption or thought process, guys, you can skip the quadratic and find out the answer directly. Okay. By such thought process, guys, you can directly reach that what is the value of theta. Rational. Square of any number is rational. 0 is rational. So it has to be also rational. Rational means without surd. Rational means without surd. 1 by root 2 with surd. Root 3 by 2 with surd. So only possibility is 1 by 2. And cos is equal to 1 by 2 at theta is equal to 60 degree. As of now, the concept of the day. Till now, the concept of the day. Till now, the concept of the day. Okay, let's move on. Clear? Quickly share it, guys. Quickly share it. Quickly viral it. Quickly share this session, guys, across the masses. Divisible by 72 means divisible by 8, divisible by 9 both. Divisible by 8 means last 3 digit. Divisible by 8 means last 3 digit. 8, 9 just 72, 6 is the carry, 60y. What is the number in the 60s which is a multiple of 8? 64. The number in the 60s is 64 which is a multiple of 8. So y comes out to be 4. Y comes out to be 4. My 6th sense says x can be 4 as well. However, I am not aware it. So now 8x, 5, x, 3, 6. 7, 8, y, and y is 4. It has to be divisible by 9 as well. It has to be divisible by 9 as well. Now this number on putting y is equal to 4, on putting y is equal to 4, it has to be divisible by 9 as well. For 9, we avoid the 9. 5 plus 4, avoid the 9. 6 plus 3, avoid the 9. So, 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. So, 23 plus x should be divisible by 9. X comes out to be 4. Bologe sir, how would you know from the beginning? Because I might have done like quite a big problems over them, and there was one question where both values comes out to be 4. So over that. So x is 4. So what is 4x minus 3y? If both are equal, so I can put the values equal as well. 16 minus 12, 4 is the answer. 16 minus 12, 4 is the answer. Correct? Once it is clear, guys, please do not forget to let me know by the help of emojis, thumbs ups, anything, okay? So that we can move on to the next question. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Let's move on. A DI, please read it very carefully. A data interpretation, please read it very carefully. You're genius. Arey bhai. Okay. I think everything is visible clearly. Yeah, all the things are visible clearly. A bit calculative. Guys, this is a percentage of students, but since all the colleges have 200 students, so it is not going to create any impact, because 68% of 200, 65% of 200, 80% of 200, if the base value is same for each, then either they are percentages or they are exact values, it is not going to create too much of differences, because the base value for each is same. Because the base value for each is same, you can assume the base value as 100, then these will become the actual values. Isn't it? If the base values were different, then we should be interested in this portion. Number of passed out students of all the 5 colleges is represented by a pie chart. What is the central angle for the sector college C? So how many are passed out from college C? How many are passed out from college C? 90 plus 90, 100, 180. 180 plus 80 is 260. So passed out from college C are 260. And total passed out are 70 plus 70, 140. 140 plus 70, 210, 214. Let's look at here as well. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 15. So 19, 20, 205, 2010. 98, 92. 180, 190. 190 plus 90, 280. 285. Over here, 210, 220. So what are total passed outs? What are total passed outs? Let's see Tirupati. I'm just going to verify it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1000, 1024, 1084. Then 84 plus 20 is 104. And 104 plus 85 is 189. Is it 1189? Is it 1189? Approximately 1190. Now, you want to know the central angle. You want to know the central angle. For percentage, we multiply it by, 100. For central angle, we multiply it by 360 degree. Okay. For central angle, we multiply it by 360 degree. Gone. Assume it 120 for little bit time. 3 times 78 degree. Near about 78. Now, we have increased it. If we will increase the denominator, the value will decrease. If we will increase the denominator, the value will decrease. So this 78 is the decreased value. This 78 is the decreased value. So actual value is 79. Please look out each and every logic very clearly. Charlie, yeah, this was percentage of students, but for everyone base was 200. So it doesn't matter. Because their actual values is going to be 68% of 200, which is like 16, 1, 36. Every value is going to get double. Every value is going to get double. So sum is going to get double, everything is going to get double. And when you take out the ratio, so that double will simplify each other. Will simplify each other. Got it, Charlie? Please let me know, everyone. No, we are not making use of it. Since the value is same, we are not making use of it. Logic. Understand the logic. Great. Let's move on. Either you can do by complete equation solving, and guys, this has become such a famous question. This has become such a famous question that for this question you can visualize the values as well. You can visualize the values as well with the help of this equation. Because values need to be integral only, because square is product of 2. This equation is giving you a hint about 6 ka square is 9 into 4. 6 ka square is 9 into 4. So, I can take x, y, z as 4, 6, 9 and see whether any other equation gets satisfied or not. What is the sum of 4, 6, 9, 19? Yes. 2 equations satisfied. 100% third will also satisfy. 100% third will also satisfy. If you don't believe, 16 plus 36 plus 81. It is about 52 plus 81, 133. So question was made for integral values. Question was made for integral values. So difference between x and z is, difference between 4 and 9 is 5. Well done, Trupati. Well done. Well done. How will you do it completely? With the help of identity. How will you do it completely, bacha? With the help of identity. The identity would be x plus y plus z ka whole square is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times of xy plus yz plus zx. 19 ka square 361. This is 133 is equal to 2 times of xy plus yz plus zx. Take it over here. 11 minus 3, 8. 5 minus 3, 2. 228 is equal to 2 times of xy plus yz plus zx. 114. Bacha, xz is y square. Xz is y square. Okay? Xz is y square. Take y common. It will become x plus y plus z. And x plus y plus z is given 19. So y will come 6. This is the complete way. This was the complete way. Finding y, then finding x, then finding z. But it was a smarter way. It was a smarter way. This I should be deciding, Trupati, that for which I have to give the detailed thing as well. Okay? For which I have to give the detailed things as well. Clear? Because not everyone can think of these values in the examination hall. Guys, if you know y, now you can easily find out x and z, because 6x into z is 36, and from here by putting y is 6, x plus z is 13. Hit and trial? Hit and trial, bacha? Hit and trial? Definitely it will work. Definitely it will work. Great. Well done. So in this Fadafat math session as well, there are some very good questions. Yeah. In this Fadafat math session, there are still very good questions. Yeah. Some are very good questions. A cube minus b cube is. Guys, here you cannot assume the values, because the product is 2, the difference is 5. Kind of impossible to assume the value. So go for the formula. A minus b ka whole square plus 3ab. Okay, it's kind of like very difficult to assume the value. A cube minus b cube is a minus b. A minus b ka square 25 plus 3 times of ab. 5 times of bacha. 25 plus 6, 31. B. Remember the identity. A cube minus b cube is a minus b ka whole square plus 3ab. And similarly, a cube plus b cube is a cube plus b cube is a plus b ka whole square minus 3ab. Let's move on. Now, some easy questions are coming for you, just to give you a relax moment, just to give you some relax moments. Cosec is equal to sec only when angles are complementary. So 4q plus 60 minus 2q should be equal to 90. What do you mean by angles are complementary? Angles are complementary means their sum should be equal to 90. Angles are complementary means their sum should be equal to 90 degree. So it is coming 60 plus 2 cube is 90. 2 cube is 30. So q is 15. Easy one for you. So sec is equal to cosec. Sec is equal to cosec when the angles are complementary. So sec is equal to cosec when the angles are complementary. A plus B is 90. Similarly, sine is equal to cos when the angles are complementary. Similarly, tan is equal to cot when the angles are complementary. There is a huge probability for getting the answers from only these 3 points, okay? Only these 3 points can give you a question in the examination hall. Let's move on. Easy run continues. Easy run continues. Try as score as much marks as you can in this segment. Score as much marks as you can in this segment. In a radius of circle 13, a chord is at a distance of 12. Chord is at a distance 12, radius is 13. 12, 13. This is right angle triangle because perpendicular drawn from the center onto the chord bisect the chord. So 12, 13, this is 5. This is also 5. So length of the chord is 5 plus 5, 10. Length of the chord is 5 plus 5, 10. Length of the chord is 5 plus 5, 10. Okay? 5, 12, 13 is a triplet. Those who does not know the triplet will find out this value by under root of 13 ka square minus 12 ka square. A minus B, A plus B, 5. I'm not going too much into deep. It's quite a lot. In triangle ABC. P is the point, Q is the midpoint. Okay, just try it. Yes, guys, please do like and share the session. As Tirupati is saying, please do like and share it, guys, across your friends. If you have already shared it, do the liking part. If you have not shared it, at least do one sharing part, then you can like it later on because you are definitely going to like it. It's going to be a learning for you. Yeah, it's going to be definitely a learning for you. If you watch my 100 sessions, still you will be learning everything in every session. You will be learning something in every session, okay? If you watch out my 100, 200, 500 sessions as well. In triangle ABC, P is a point on BC. P is a point on BC such that BP-PC ratio 4:3. Q is the midpoint of BP. Q is the midpoint of BP. So this total was 4. Divide into 2 equal parts, 2, 2. Divide into 2 equal parts, 2, 2. Total was 4. Divide into 2 equal parts, 2, 2. What is the area of ABQ? And what is the area of triangle ACB? Guys, ABQ and ABC are on the same base. are on the same base. So when the triangles are made on the same base, when the triangles are made on the same base, their area is proportional to base. Their area is proportional to base. Why? Because height is same to all. Because height is same to all. Do I need to prove it? Guys, do I need to prove it? When the triangles are made on the base, when the triangles are made on the same base, their area is proportional to base because the height is same for all. So area of ABQ upon area of ABC. ABQ area for ABQ base is 2 and for ACB the base is 3 plus 4, 7. Please do watch out. Please do watch out. Any issues, consult me. Well done, Gorkha. When the triangles are made on the same base, guys, their area is proportional to their bases because height is same to all. Whatever the value of height for this ABC triangle, whatever the value of height for this ABC triangle, the same value of height is for the ABC triangle. So in the formula, half into base into height, height will cancel out and area will become proportional to base. Area will become proportional to base. Great. From the loss of 15% to the profit of 9%. The difference is minus 15 to 0 and 0 to 9. It's 15 plus 9, 24%. So 24% is equal to 30.60 rupees. Just believe on yourself. Just believe on yourself and simplify it. 24 1 ja 24. So it's 66. Oh. 24 1 ja 24 and then it's 66. So 24 2 ja 48. After 48 बच्चा, after 48 it is becoming 12 से कर लें, 12 से कर लेते हैं चलो. Let's do it by 12. 12 2 ja 12 2 ja 24. After 24 66. So 12 5 just 60, 12 5 just 60. 2% is equal to 2.55. 2% is equal to 2.55. What is CP? CP is 100%. Multiply by 50 over here. You will get 50 into 200. 50 into 0.55. 275. Yeah, 275. And 2 decimal. So 27.5. So CP is 127.5. CP is 127.5. CP is 127.5. Now you want to sell it at a profit of 10%. So the new SP is going to be profit of 10% means 11 by 10 of the previous value. 11 by 10 of the previous value. Guys, multiplication by 11 is the easiest thing in the world. 5 plus 7, 12, 1, 4, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, and the last one, 140.25. 140.25. And obviously it was looking that 10% of 127.5 is going to be 12.75. So if you add 12.75, in 127.5, definitely you are going to reach 140.25. Yeah. Isn't it? Isn't it, guys? Come on, do tell me fast. If you have any issues, do let me know, guys. I can repeat it. I can do whatever is required for your understandings, whatever is required for your confidence. Whatever is required for your confidence, guys, I can repeat it. Do it, whatever. Correct. Well done. Well done. Well done, Shrivani, Charlie, Tirupati, Masterni Bitia. Masterni Bitia. Acha. Okay. Hello, Masterni Bitia. A principal becomes 8028 in 3 years, and it becomes 12,042, and it becomes 12,042 in 6 years. 6 years means next 3 years. If time period is same, the value increases in the same ratio. If this time period is same, the principal and amount will make the same ratio. Okay? So what is the ratio they are maintaining over here? 4014 will simplify it 2 times, and 4014 will simplify it 3 times. So if they are maintaining 2:3 here, then they should maintain 2:3 initially as well. Now 3 is known, find out the value of 2. 3 is known 8028. So 1 is 3 2 ja 6, 20, 3 6 ja 18, 22, 3 7 ja 21, 3 6 ja 18. What is the value of 2? The value of 2 is multiply by 2, 12, 14 plus 1, 15, 1, 13, 1, 5. Do watch out. Some people can do it like this as well. Sir, whatever the ratio they are maintaining, the same ratio need to be maintained by them. So amount over principal from here. Should be equal to amount over principal from here as well. Both are wonderful. Yeah, both are wonderful. So what is the ratio of amount over principal from the second? It is 12042 divided by 8028. It's 2 times, 3 times. So principal is 16,056 divided by 3, 5352. Perfect. Perfect. Next. Next. Geometry. The one which troubles you. The geometry, the one which troubles you. In triangle ABC, F and E are on the AB and AC such that FE is parallel to BC. Very good, very good. In triangle ABC, F and E are the points on AB and AC. F and E are the points on AB and AC such that FE is parallel to BC. FE divide the triangle into 2 equal areas. FE divide the triangle into 2 equal areas. Guys, 2 equal areas means if this area is 1, this is also 1. So if I talk about the area of AFE and the area of ABC, can I say area of AFE is 1, then the area of ABC is 2? Now some of you might be interested in, sir, why are you looking it? Because I will make the similar triangles. I will make the similar triangles. They are similar. So if their area is in the ratio 1:2, their side is going to be in the ratio under root 1 under root 2, 1:2. So for AFE triangle and ABC triangle, side is in the ratio 1:2. I hope it is absolutely wonderful for you, isn't it? Chalo. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay. AD is perpendicular to BC and intersect FE at G. Guys, if you have read the similarity with me, I always told you that whatever the ratio, side maintain, the same ratio is going to be maintained by the heights perpendiculars as well. So their perpendiculars are AG and AD. For the smaller triangle AG, for the bigger triangle AD. AG, OG. Okay. So they are also going to maintain 1:2. Means AG is 1 and AD is root 2. AD is root 2. Total is root 2. This is 1. So GD is root 2 minus 1. So GD is root 2 minus 1. And AG is 1. AG, OG, B. Most of you got it wrong, other than Harika and Charlie. So there is lot of things to learn, guys. If you have the patience, there are infinite many things, guys, to learn. Correct? Correct. AG, OG. So AG is 1, AD is root 2, so GD comes out to be root 2 minus 1. If total is root 2, this is 1, this is root 2 minus 1. Perfect. Every one of you. Great, very good. Again a set of tricky questions is coming. Then after this, guys, again just believe yourself, again some easy questions will come. So it's a cyclic process. It's a cyclic process. No issues, Trupati. Just believe on yourself. Just believe on yourself, yeah? And try attempting the next one. Guys, distance is constant. Reducing the speed, that is why taking more time. Distance is constant, reducing the speed, that is why taking more time. So, application of time difference formula. Distance is equal to S1, S2 upon S1 minus S2 into time difference. Distance is known. Okay, initial speed is not known. Initial speed is not known. Assume the initial speed as S. Finally, decrease by 16. Difference of 16. And time difference is 2 hours. 8. 384 is equal to 384 into 8 is equal to S into S minus 16. Basically, bacha, this is a quadratic. Basically, bacha, this is a quadratic. What? This is a quadratic. But we have to act smart. Try to break into two factors whose difference is 16. So 192 into 2 into 8. No, difference is not 16. Break it further, bacha. Break it further, 96 into 2 into 2 into 8. So it's 16, 32, no. Break it further, bacha, 48 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 8. 48 and this is combined 64. 48 into 64 is equal to S into S minus 16. Yeah. Okay. So this S becomes 64. This S becomes 64.
नहीं भाई सामने
कौन है ये स्लैमर? Okay. So the speed, the original speed is 64 and the reduced speed is 48. The original speed is 64 and the reduced speed is 48. So S is 64, 75%, 75% of S, that is 3 by 4 of S is 48. Very important problem. Very important problem. Very important problem, guys. Very, very important problems. And not an easy one as well. Let's move on. Oh ho. Again, you need to work a bit. Leave him, Charlie. Hello, Ram. This is one of the drawbacks of being online. A solid cube of these questions are good, Tirupati. That is why you might be feeling the difficulty. Volume is known. You are cutting into 8 cubes of same volume. The ratio of the surface area to the total surface. Oh. It will take some time. It will take some time. From a cube, guys, you are forming 8 new cubes. Cube has a volume of A cube. If its side is A, it has a volume of A cube. 8 1 ja 8, 58. So 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56, 8 7 ja 56, 22, 8 2 ja 16, then 8 8 ja 64. And this is bacha 12 ka cube. This is 12 ka cube. So side of the smaller cube is 12. So side of the smaller cube is 12. ये कौन है भाई? इसको ब्लॉक करो जाके. पिटेगा ये. चलो. The ratio of the surface area of the original cube, the ratio of the surface area of the original cube, and the total sum of area. Okay, guys, what is the surface area of a cube? Is 6a square. Okay, and the total sum of surface area and the total sum of surface area of the 3 smaller cubes. So 3 into 6a square, small a. 6 into small a. So capital A square into 3 upon capital A upon 3 into small a ka square. Bacha, what was the capital A? What was the capital A? What was the capital A? It is even not required. Do you know it? ये कौन भाई इतनी जल्दी जल्दी आईडी बना रहा है? Guys, from one cube you formed 8 cubes, na? From one cube you formed 8 cubes. From one cube you formed 8 cubes. So can I say volume was in the ratio 8:1? So side would be in the ratio cube root of 8, cube root of 1. So bigger side and smaller side is in the ratio 2:1. Bigger side and smaller side is in the ratio 2:1. Bigger side upon smaller side is in the ratio 2:1. 2 ka square 4/3. Achha, if you want to know it once more, you can ask me what I have done. If you want to know it once more, guys, you can ask me. I will give you the solution as well. Let me open a page over here and will tell you the entire process what has gone. Let me tell you the entire process what has gone. From a bigger cube, from a bigger cube, suno bacha, from a bigger cube, you formed 8 smaller cubes. From one cube, you formed 8 smaller cubes. Okay. So, from one cube, you are forming 18 smaller cubes. 8 smaller cubes. Okay. Whatever is the volume, you will say, sir, volume remain constant. Volume remain constant. So, if this is capital A cube, should be equal to 8 into small a cube. So, capital A cube upon small a cube is 8. Or you can say capital A upon small a is 2. Capital A upon small a is 2. Capital A upon small a is 2. Even I am not interested what is the value given. Even I am not interested what is the volume given. It's of no use to us. Now they were asking the ratio of bigger surface area 6 capital square upon 3 times of small sphere. So they are asking capital A square upon 3a square. So it is 1/3 a by a ka whole square. 1/3 a by a is 2, 2 ka square 4, 4/3. So without using the value of 18348, we have got to the answer. Without using the value of 18348, whatever it was given, we have find out the answer. Clear? So that data was never used. That data was never used. Same as well done. Gorkha. x की power 4 plus 1 upon x की power 4 is 194. Decrease the power ones. Decrease the power ones. How to decrease it? Add to take square root. Like half the power. Half the power. How can be half the power? Add to take square root. Add to take square root. Again half the power. Again half the power. Add to take square root. Again half the power, add 2, take square root. Again half the power, add 2, take square root. X plus 1 upon x is known as 4. Because from the x की power 4 to 1 upon x की power 4, definitely we can only do this. Now we have to look at this question. What is the question? It is x square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the question. This is the question. So do some modifications over here. It will become x square plus 1 is equal to 4x. It will become x square plus 1 is equal to 4x, or x square minus 4x can be replaced by minus 1. So x square minus 4x can be replaced by minus 1. Great question. Great question. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. After finding out this step, go to this step. So x square minus 4x will come out to be minus 1. On opening this, there is x square minus 4x over here. Use the value of minus 1 over here. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 3 is the exact answer. 3 is the exact answer. Clear? Perfect. Clear? Perfect. Next. ABC together can complete a work in 27 days. So work can be done by ABC together in 27 days. Huh? And their together efficiency is? And their together efficiency is 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. And their together efficiency is 7 plus 3, 10. So work is 10 into 27. Work is 10 into 27. How many days? B and C can do 4 by 9 of this work. So 4 by 9 of this work is 4 by 9 of 10 into 27. 120. Who will do this? Who will do this? B and C. What is their combined efficiency, bacha? B and C combined efficiency is 5 plus 3, 8. 8. They will take 15 days. Chalo, finally a easy question for you after quite a time. Finally a easy question for you after quite a time. Wishing some more easy questions so that you can increase your scores. Even I am not aware of the questions. They are as new to me as to you. As new to me as to you. Why I come, guys, without even seeing them? Because I believe that I am a SSC teacher as of now. So I should be able to do out of 100 questions, 99 questions without even watching them before. And this is what I maintain as well about maintaining 99% kind of things direct. Some one or two questions might be you need to watch it, what is there, but 99%. And some others, guys, you might be knowing, maintain the 0% live solving. Huh? No preparation, no watch, no session. No preparation, they will not take a session. Okay. So, in triangle ABC, the bisectors of B and C, intersect, make an angle of 122. You know this point of intersection is in center, and this 122 is equal to 90 plus vertex angle divided by 2. 90 plus vertex angle divided by 2, which is 32 is equal to vertex angle divided by 2. Vertex angle is 64. Vertex angle is 64. Vertex angle is 64. Next. Oh, quite a great one. Now I will check it. How will you do it? Now I will check it. How will you do it? You can do it by both ways. You can do it by both ways. Overall, when the selling price is same, overall profit loss percentage is 100x plus y plus 2xy upon 200 plus x plus y. Gain 30, loss 25. Gain 30, loss 25. Gain 30, loss 25. 500 plus 60 into minus 25 divide by 205. Okay, 500, 60 into 25 is minus 1500 divide by 205. It's minus 1000 by 205. So less than 5%. Less than 5% loss. D. Ram. Chalo, let me see. Come. Chalo, he will come. I will get to ask him personally as well. He is connected with me. I will ask him later on. Okay. No, it's audible now. Okay, he can come in. In a circle with center O, arc ABC subtend 140 degree at the center. Arc ABC subtend 140 degree at the center. So the arc will subtend 70 degree at the circumference, half. The chord AB is produced. The chord AB is produced to the point P. What is CBP? What is CBP? If this is 70, bacha, what is this? Cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite. Sum of opposite 180, 110. It's a straight line. If this is 110, this is again 70. Answer. If this is 140, arc ABC subtended 140 at the center, it's half at the circumference. If this is 70, this is 110, cyclic quadrilateral. If this is 110, this is again 70 to make it a straight line. To make it a straight line. Clear? Well done. Today's session was quite happening, huh? DF. Put a cap over DF. For DF, BC is required. For DF, BC is required. If area is in the ratio 4:9, the side is going to be in the ratio under root 4 under root 9. That is 2:3. So BC and DF is going to be in the ratio 2:3. BC and DF is going to be in the ratio 2:3. So for finding out DF, only BC is required. AB not required, AC not required. BC is 8. So 2 is given as 8. Multiply of 4. So 3 will become 12. Answer. 3 will become 12. Answer. So even AB was not required, even AC was not required. Because for DF, the cap of BC is required. If DF, at the same place DF is there, and on the other triangle, the same place BC is there. So BC and DF will maintain 2:3. BC is given as 8, 2 is equal to 8, then 3 is equal to 12. This is about, session is not over as of now. Okay, let me see what is after that point as well. And what is the count? Update your scores as well. What is the count and update your scores as well. So guys, the Exampur family is working quite hard these days to improve our offerings. In that direction, we have worked a lot over our quizzes. Then job alerts feature, previous year PDF with the solutions, current affairs daily, weekly, monthly, study material, free courses and paid courses also there, in which the officer batch of CGL 2022 is there, in which the officer batch of CGL 2022 is there. Bilingual. For complete English medium, these free YouTube sessions which I am taking. For complete English medium, these free YouTube sessions what I am taking are more than sufficient. Okay, update the score, update the count if you have made that table which I told you in the beginning. If you have made that table wise, miss the count, oh my god. Chalo, anyone maintained the table? Sir, I was with you in Byju's. Okay, Gorkha. Yeah, I was in Byju's there on. Yeah, definitely. Gorkha, please write English. This much Hindi is difficult to read. Hindi is a very easy language in terms of, what do you say, in communication. But if you write it this much Hindi, it becomes a bit difficult. It becomes a bit difficult. Okay, 25, 26 questions. What? %60 girls, average of girls marks 72, average of boys 54. Girls are 60%, boys are 40%. Maintaining 3:2. What is their difference? 18 3 ja 54, 18 4 ja 72, 18 difference. Divide the difference of 18 in the ratio 3:2. Divide the difference of 18 in the ratio 3:2, or what is the method I told you that day? The method I told you that day is take a lower value 54. Take a lower value 54. What is the opposite to the lower value? 3. So it's 3 by 5 of difference. 3 by 5 of difference. Okay? So 54 plus 54 divided by 5, which is about 10.8. 64.8. Moharaj, is it clear now? What is the process I told? Take the low value, take the lower value. What is the ratio opposite? The ratio opposite is 3 by 5. Take the ratio 3 by 5 and divide the difference in that ratio. And divide the difference in that ratio. And divide the difference in that ratio. What is the another way? The another way is divide the difference of 18 in the ratio 3:2. Find out any of the value. Let's suppose you find out 2. So it is 2 by 5 of 18, which will become 36 by 5, which will become 7.2. So this value will become 7.2. This is the largest value. Largest minus required should be equal to 7.2. Largest minus required is equal to 7.2. So required is 64.8. Do it however, whatever you want. Do whatever you want, guys. Just give me the correct answer. Do whatever you want. Just give me the correct answer. Okay? Great. No issues, Maharaj. I hope you might have got it now. Well done, Gorkha. No issues. The difference formula for 2 years. The difference formula for 2 years is d over p r over 100 ka whole square. The difference between SI and CI for 2 years. Difference between SI and CI for 2 years. For 2 years. And what is the difference formula for 3 years? It's d over p r over 100 का whole square. Exactly same till here. Exactly same till here. Only extra thing is 300 plus r over 100. Only the extra thing is 300 plus r over 100. So difference between SI and CI for 2 years and 3 years. Difference between SI and CI for 2 years and 3 years. It is about 2 years. So we will use the first formula, difference 24.5. Principal is X. Rate is 7. So 7 by 100 into 7 by 100. Okay. Take it 100 in the decimal and just get it out. 7 3 ja 21, 7 5 ja 35. 7 5 ja 35, 50. So X is 50 into 100, 5,000. 5,000. X is 5,000. So these difference formulas are really very helpful. These difference formulas are really very helpful for 2 years as well and for 3 years as well. 2-year question, guys, you can do it by effective rate. But for 3 years, even effective rate is difficult. So the formula is the best. So if for 3-year formula is the best, then why not use it in the 2 years as well? If for 3 years the formula is the best, then why not use it for the 2 years as well? Okay, let's move on. AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC is a multiple of A plus B plus C. Should be a multiple of 7. Should be a multiple of 7. 7 6 ja 42, 2, no. 7 5 ja 35, 62, no. 7 4 ja 28, 42, yes. Only multiple is sufficient. Only multiple is sufficient. Because AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC has one of the factor as A plus B plus C. So it has to be a multiple of A plus B plus C. It has to be a multiple of A plus B plus C. So I just checked it out. Only one multiple of 7 is there. No else. Only one multiple of 7 is there. None else. Answer. Or you can put the value as well. 7. 7 ka square 49 minus 3 times of 1. Hardly a matter of few seconds. Hardly a matter of few seconds. So finally, in middle, you got some easy questions. It was a hard day for you. I know there were some very, very tricky questions in between. There was some very, very tricky questions in between. You have just proved it. Your लोहा है ना, आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. You performed brilliantly. 120 reduced by x%. How to reduce any number by percentage? It's 100 minus x over 100. Okay. The same result is obtained in 40 is increased by x%. How to increase any number by x%? 100 plus x over 100. 300 minus 3x is equal to 100 plus x. 200 is equal to 4x, x is 50. If you want to see its derivation, we will be doing its derivation as well. If you want to see its derivation, we will be doing its derivation as well. If x is 50, then 50% of 210, that is half, 105, will be what percentage less than 50 plus 20, 70% of 180. Percentage cancel out 2 zeros. 105 is how much less than 126? 105 is how much less than 126? The difference is 21. Less than. So comparison would be done from the later value. Comparison would be done from the later value. What is the later value? Later means what is after then? It's 126. 21 less over 126. 21 less over 126. 1 by 6. Convert into 100. 16, 2 by 3%. Quality question, guys. Quality question. Well done, Gorkha, Trupati, Harika, Charlie, Ram, Shrivani, and everyone else. Absolutely wonderful, guys. Really proud of you. Really proud of you. You just do it your great effort. You just give it your great effort. Okay? Well done, Trupati. Next. Chalo, we are doing the final questions of the day. Maybe last 2, 3. And I want them easy. I want them easy. Yeah, so that we would be ending on a happy note. I want the last 2, 3 questions as easy. So we would be ending on a happy note. A cube plus B cube is A plus B. A plus B का whole square minus 3AB. 6 का square 36 minus 3 times of 16 by 3. 36 minus 16, 20. 120. Great. Next. '90s cannot be least. '80s 90 cannot be least. '70 cannot be least. 260 170, 160 270. There is a fight between these two. There is a fight between these two, but I certainly believe, I think this would be the least. I certainly believe that this will come out to be the least. 120 plus 70, 190. 190 plus 15, 205, 2010. If sum is least, then average is also least. Because like 3 years, dividing by 3 each. Here it is, 140, 214. So if this sum is least, then the average is also least. Answer. If the sum is least, then the average is also least. Because for both, we would be dividing it by 3. For both, we would be dividing it by 3. So for both values, if this is the least value, then its average is also going to be the least value. Common sense. Next. A circle is drawn inside a triangle. It touches the sides AB, BC, C at point R, P and Q. AQ 4.5. Two tangents drawn from external point to the circle are equal. So this is also 4.5. PC 5.5. So this is also 5.5. BR 6. So this is also 6. Perimeter of the triangle 2 times 4.5 plus 5.5 plus 6. Twice of 16, 32. Why it was necessary to make the diagram? Because sometimes they give the complete value as well. Then you have to find out this value. Otherwise, we would have directly doubled it initially only. Otherwise, we would have directly doubled it initially. But just take care, guys. Just take care. Sometimes what does they do? They give the full part. They give the full part. So from full part, you have to subtract this, write down this, then take the double of it. Okay. That is the reason, guys, I done it. Otherwise, what would I have said? Okay, just add all of them and multiply by 2. Just add all of them and multiply it by 2. Okay. Great. So, should we finish? Should we finish? Okay. Okay. So, this is the homework for you. Quality average question. I'm looking forward for your comments. I'm looking forward for your comments, guys. This is the homework for you. Homework number 1. Take the screenshots, give the answers in the comment box. And this is also the homework for you. So 2 quality questions in the homework. If required, I will take both of them in my next 1 p.m. session. If required, guys, I will take both of them in my next 1 p.m. session. Looking like both are quality. So if you like the session, guys, please do not forget to press the like button before going. If you like the session, please do not forget to like the session before going. Thank you very much, guys, for your efforts, for your patience, this session was extremely beneficial. Please do revise it multiple times as per your requirement. Whatever are the important questions where you got stuck, please make sure you write them out in your notebooks as well. Whatever you are maintaining, make a good notes of them. So take care of yourself, guys. Have a great time. See you soon in the next session. Till then, have a lovely day. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a great time.